Hey guys, it's Kristin. So in today's video, I want to show you these little taco cups that we've been making for years. I want to say about 8 or 9 years ago, a friend had these at a party we went to, and I was like, oh my god, what are these? How do you make them? And we've been making them ever since. So we do Taco Tuesday every single week, and we usually rotate off doing like normal tacos, taco salad, and then we do taco cups. They're really fun to make, and they're super delicious. So let me show you how to make them. So the first thing you need to do is start cooking your meat, and we are using ground turkey for a healthier option. Once you have the meat fully cooked, then you're gonna add your taco seasoning and just follow the directions on the packet, but it's usually 1 package per pound. So while your meat's cooking, you're gonna wanna chop up some lettuce, tomato, you'll need taco cheese, and then sour cream, but we use the non-fat plain Greek yogurt because it's healthier and it's pretty much the same thing. I forgot to mention that you will also need these square wonton wrappers. So you'll want to spray your muffin pan, and then you're just going to start placing the squares in and just push down lightly. So you just want to make sure that they are up on the sides still. So I'm kind of just taking 2 fingers and pushing straight down. So you don't need to push it along the edges. You just pretty much just want it to sit inside the muffin pan. So just like that. So I'm going to fill the rest of them up. So now that the meat is done, we're gonna start scooping it into the pan. So when you're adding these, you're gonna wanna fill them about half the way up, and then we're gonna put cheese on top of it. So for right now, I'm just gonna fill this entire thing with the ground turkey. Once you've filled all of your cups, then you're gonna take some of the taco cheese, and you're just gonna put about a pinch right on top. Now if you like a lot of cheese, definitely you can add more, but we usually do about a pinch. Now you're gonna bake these for about 10 minutes on 325. So these have been in for exactly 10 minutes, and what you're really looking for is that the edges are crispy but not burnt. So now we're gonna add our toppings. So we're gonna start with the Greek yogurt. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on each. So obviously if you like this a lot, you can add more or less, but just get the Greek yogurt on there. Then we're gonna top each one with a little bit of lettuce. And then lastly, some tomato. So we'll just put a little bit of tomato on there. And that's pretty much it. This is kind of a different version. You know, if you guys have taco night, you can try doing taco cups. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave me comments below so I know you were here, and let me know what other how-to videos you'd love to see. Now, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload new video, and I will talk to you later.